What I do like to do is I like to measure the distance between certain price points because that'll definitely tell you exactly where it's going to go. So if I go from A to, well, not A to B, excuse me, I just like saying A to B, from there to there, right, or even a little bit lower, or it doesn't matter what it is, just this area right here, right, and we, let me actually get it right there, perfect, okay, cool. And it doesn't matter because, again, there's a reason we draw areas. We don't put specific numbers. So if you want to draw it to the end of this box, to the top of this box, cool. You want to do it to the closest point, to the end, cool. Closest to closest. What am I doing? There we go. Closest to closest, cool. Do whatever you want. But just an example right now. Just an example, right? So we have this right here. Now, what I do in terms of confluences and why it's so powerful is, since I know that's the distance up, and I know that is where prices, the distance between where it's at right now versus where it stopped in the past, I'm going to clone this, and if it wants to retrace, this is where I may see it retrace at, right? This is where it's so powerful, right? Because look how it lines up. This is where it could be at. This is the last place it was at versus this, where it's at right now, double top. If it wants to retrace, I have it going right here. So now price wants to draw this arrow right here, boom, all the way down here. Now I can draw Fibonacci from A to B right here to C, which is in between this 38.2 and 50 retracement. And now the 27 extension lines up basically perfect with this area that it was in the past. So that's already another confluence on. All you want to do is match up so many confluences and see what could possibly happen. And if you look at it from this perspective, when this Fibonacci price were to retrace right here and come and sorry, I have this rectangle right here and come right here, right? Now we have this box, and now because this is the same distance that it was from here to here, all confluence. But guess what? Look how it lines up perfect, because confluences, if I were to just drag this over, look where it lines up at. Right above this area that it was in the past. Top, top, double top, triple top. And if it were to break through, boom, the goal would have been up here, or some psychological round number that we would have had, like we have on GA and GU and all this. Like we have all these, like no matter if we have this and this as random areas where it stopped at, like this is a random area that stopped at. It's not like 1.30. It's not a round number, but I do have these still here just in case. I'm not even talking about that. I'm talking about just in general, right? It lines up perfectly confluence-wise. So now, not only do we have this distance from here to here to here to here, and it just lines up randomly. It's not random. It's all art, because look at this. This is the same support that it would be that was just resistance back in September and July. Boom, boom, boom. It lines up perfect. It's all art. And then guess what? Where's the next highest point after that? Right here. So let's draw another one. And it's all with the body, right? All with the body. Right? Trying to make it perfect, sorry. Cool, boom, right? All with the body. I can delete this Fibonacci right now, but just clone it again. Where does it line up? Same thing. Price is all in levels. I dare somebody to tell me, oh, price is not in level, and it doesn't do this and it doesn't do that. That is BS. It is all art, and it'll change your trading once you understand and realize this is all art. Look at this high. This is not no coincidence from January of last year, and then it does it again in June of last year, and then it does it again in November of last year, right? And potentially could do it in March of this year or February of this year, where it comes down here. If it were to come down here, it's all art. And if I were to just take this, clone this, and then clone it down here, it lines up basically with this trend line, but also is still a higher low. Boom. 2, still high, does not go lower than this right here, and it lines up perfectly. Draw another area right here, even right here. It's so crazy. Look at all this. Like, look at this confluence. I don't know if you guys are seeing this right now. This is literally crazy. This is a clone, but look at this. Stopped, broke through, came down. Where did it retest? Oh, this area, retest. Broke above. Where did it come down? Retest right here, right? Just retest. Over here, retest. Right here, evening star, right on it, comes back down. Right here, all these wicks all on this area. Right here, comes down, stops, comes back up. Retest, broke a little bit below. Same with this. Forex is art. It is art. It is art. It is art, and it always will be. Yo, Swaggy C Vlog current status. I'm supposed to be going to the gym right now. Gold, man. Gold, gold, gold. Forex is art. Change my mind. You can't. I'm telling you, does the same thing over and over again. Look at gold right now. It's clockwork. I'm telling you guys. Like, I got my book bag on. I'm literally about to go to the gym. I checked the markets and gold is wilding. Let me stop recording and show you guys real quick. Look at this. Y'all literally just saw what I said earlier. And this is about maybe 2 days later from when I said it. Or maybe last night, either last night or 2 days later. Look at this, broke through. And guess where it's going? It's going right to this area. I guarantee you, it's going right to this area. Why? Because Forex is art. It literally is art. Come on, man. Train your eyes, back test, repetition.